Mama, this is the 85th Grand Jubilee, Mama.
Okay, hold on.
On our cue, Betty, ready?
Mama, this is the 85th, honey.
Hi.
That's right, that's right. And, you know, I think you got us all
Yeah,
over the
yeah.
barrel.
That's what I'm waiting for.
Yeah, you sit over there and moan, and then when the cake and party comes, everything's all right.
Yeah, that's what I get that.
Yeah, all right.
That's
what she's looking for, is all that sugar.
All right.
Marilyn, say
Oh,
hello.
that's pretty close. That's pretty close.
Betty, how are you? Don't give me that look.
Wow.
Betty had the best joke, though. Of the last 3 years, Betty had the best joke at the pool. I'm going to keep telling her. I said, boy, they sure broke the mold when they made Mama. And Betty goes, if they didn't, they should have. Let me tell you, I'm always going to use that line.
Okay, happy birthday.
Ladies, pay attention.
Happy birthday,
dear Mama.
Happy birthday to you. And many more.
Mama!
Thank you. Ta-ta.
You got to blow those candles out or you don't get any
Ready?
cake.
Come on.
Take it down.
That's big.
Three, let's go, blow them out.
I'm
Come on,
ready.
ready.
Ready?
Mine is in there.
One.
Yeah, blow it out. Blow it out.
Come on, Grace, blow it out.
2, 3,
Three.
go.
Go ahead, Grace.
Blow them out, Mama.
Go ahead. Go ahead, blow them out.
85.
Watch it, Grace.
Blow. 7,
Okay,
8,
all right.
9.
9.
I'm 10.
10.
Go.
Okay, blow, blow.
Oh, all right, just blow them. Come on.
Blow. Like this. Grandma, for grandma.
Whistle.
Grandma.
Yeah.
Yeah, Grandma, all right.
All right, let's go.
Ay, you guys are killing me.
All right.
Janice, what do you got to say about all this? Mr. Scott, what do you got to say about all this?
We're getting too close already.
Ready? Here we go. Go
Be
ahead.
careful, I'll show it to the witches.
Blow.
Whoa.
There you go. I want you to blow. Go. One more. Go. Ready?
Whoa.
Go. Happy birthday
To you, yay! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.